Hello everyone and welcome back to the Game Dead Diary. Hi everyone, so today I'm just doing a quick video basically just to talk about a few things that are happening now. So in the last video we all saw the new sprite ideas that are coming and what the platformer looks like. Well, today I'm going to show you one change that's happened to the platformer because I've had to adapt it a little bit because I wasn't happy and I found a little kind of bug. Not really a bug, just more something that was going to happen and I needed a way to not make it not happen. But it's not really a bug because I kind of did it on purpose, by accident. And I'm going to just talk about the poll results for the sprite competition, because it's pretty drastic how it's changed. And then we're going to just talk about one more thing regarding videos of this channel. Firstly, what's changed in the platformer is the pause menu. So I'm not sure if I showed it off on the other video. Whenever you went on the pause menu, the game would just reset. And it took me quite a while to sort this out, but I finally found I was doing it one way by doing a lot of booleans and making it so basically an object will pop up whenever you click pause and then everything else just stays still, which did work, except if the player was in midair they would just fall to the ground because I just made it so you can't move while the game is paused. So then I was like, I don't like this way, so I had a lot of research and I found a much easier way to do it. So I'm going to show you my code now, it'll be really sped up, and then at the end of it I will show you what the new pause menu looks like. Okay, so we're back now, and as you can see Unity is behind me. So this is what's changed basically with, if you don't understand that code, don't worry. So, let me move the scene down a bit. There we go. And as you can see there are a few errors, but that's fine, it's just meaning that I've called an object but I've not set it to anything. So the player's moving, and then we click pause. And as you can see, I can't move. The enemy's not moving, and then all we have to do is click return. If I click jump and escape, it stays in midair. Now this way was found on a video, which I will link below actually, because I think it's very useful. I think it's very useful for us to learn as we go on. That's actually something a teacher once told me, that all programmers learn by learning from others and adjusting to their own needs. Basically what I'm doing there is just freezing time while you are pausing, which is actually a very cool feature which I'm going to be using much later on, I think, for cool level designs for the game and other things that might come into play later, because I am thinking about the story and the title of this untitled platformer, and I've basically got it. So I'm going to just go back to full screen my face, and we're going to have a little discussion about the poll result. So we're back on full screen my face, and what the poll results meant. Well, we're on 27 votes, and it was about 50-50 until the Cyborg won by like 1 vote right now. I mean, it's still a day left for it, so if you haven't voted, go vote already, please. And thank you to Tomislav, who is one of my friends who just retweeted it, and it kind of just blew up a little bit more with votes. But what this means is, realistically, I should go for the Cyborg at this current moment in time, or whatever the vote says at the end. But I don't think that's, I mean, I kind of want to do this poll to just get an opinion. Doesn't mean I have to stick to it, because I am still the head of this. And I think for my sake and for the people who will play this game, you'll have much more enjoyment if I do the businessman, because I've got a title idea and I've got an actual story idea. While as for the Cyborg, I was kind of just doing that because I like the idea of cyborgs. That doesn't mean the Cyborg won't be involved at all later on in the game. I have plans for him. It just means at this moment in time, the businessman will probably be my #1 choice to be using in the game. So thank you everyone who voted, and I'm sorry if you actually did want the Cyborg to be the main character. He will be something in the game, I can promise you that now. What this means next for the platformers though, I'm going to have to start designing actual sprites now for the businessman. And I'm not going to record that because I just think it's tedious, just me just redrawing the sprite, making it look a bit better, but I am going to record when I've implemented him into the game what it looks like and how he moves around. We also have to focus on animations. That's the thing that's going to be coming up soon, because he's just going to look a bit weird if the businessman just moves like this without actually walking like that. And that's pretty much it for the platformer updates and anything else coming now. There's one more thing we need to talk about, is how often I will upload. Now, if you don't know about me, I work part-time. I have a part-time job, which I usually am in the weekends, and I go to school Monday to Friday, which means I don't have the most time to record. And I can really only record when no one is actually in my house because there'll just be too many distractions. So if I don't upload some weeks, I haven't just forgotten. It just means I have not got the time or haven't had an opportunity to. And that's pretty much it. This video was only going to be quite quick. It's gone on a bit longer than I thought it was going to go. So thank you everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time in the Game Dev Diary. Bye.